Now let's see the construction of lead acid cell. Second type of cell is that. So here lead acid cell, which is shown in this picture. Have you ever seen car batteries? So in car batteries this type of cell is mostly used. So lead acid cell is used in car, trucks, motorcycle, or any uninterrupted power supplies, UPS it is called as. So lead acid cell is used in all these appliances. So let's see the construction. If you observe the diagram, you can see that in lead acid cell, lead is used. Lead means PB शिस ज्याला म्हणतात PB, lead is used. So lead electrode is used and lead oxide electrode is used. Two types of electrodes are used here. Lead electrode is negatively charged terminal and lead oxide or lead dioxide is positively charged terminal. So both these negatively charged and positively charged electrodes are dipped in the electrolytic solution of hydrochloric acid H2SO4. Now let's see how do it works. So when it is suspended in or dipped in sulfuric acid, it creates the electricity. That means because of the chemical reaction between the substances in the cell, electric charge is produced due to lead and lead dioxide. Lead is doing here the role of negative terminal and lead dioxide is doing the role of positive terminal. So in this way the lead acid cell is used and it creates near about a large amount of energy, or what we can say current. So it can create 2 volt of current. So these types of cells are used in huge appliances like cars, trucks or motorcycles and all that. Now let's see the next type of cell, that is NICD cell, that means nickel cadmium cell. So this type of cell you have seen in toys also. So in various things or appliances it is also used. So let's see more about nickel cadmium cell, NICD cell. These days a variety of gadgets are available. So many gadgets are working on this CD cell or nickel cadmium cell. So such gadgets are used this type of cells, which creates the potential difference between 1.2 volt as compared to lead acid cell. It is very small amount, but it creates the current of 1.2 volt and it is rechargeable. If charging is down, we can recharge it. So this is about nickel cadmium cell.